Today we're going to talk about how to give your agents wallets on Natural. Wallets are FDIC insured accounts that your agents can use. You can have as many as you'd like, they're fully programmable, and they support transfers from ACH, wire, RTP, and shortly, cards. Navigating over to the Wallets tab, you'll see I have 3 wallets: my default wallet, a savings wallet, and a third wallet called a vault, which we'll talk about later. Now I'm going to jump into Claude to show you how to access them. Let's start with, what's my balance across all my wallets? Claude will think for a second and then return each wallet's balance. Now let's try making a transfer between my default wallet and my savings wallet. So I'm going to say transfer $1,000 from my wallet to savings. Similarly, you'll see that that has made a transfer between my default wallet and my savings wallet. So tabbing over to the dashboard, you'll see my default wallet has $1,000 less, and my savings wallet now has $1,000. Vaults are accounts that agents can only deposit into, but not withdraw out of. So let's try moving money into the vault. I'm going to say move $1,000 from my wallet into my vault. You'll see now that my wallet again has $1,000 less, and my vault has $1,000. Let's try removing the $1,000 from the vault. Can you withdraw $1,000 from my vault to my external account? I have multiple external accounts, so Claude is asking which external account it wants to transfer to. And you'll see though that it fails because it's not allowed to move money out of the vault. Now let's try some deposit and withdrawals from my main wallet. Deposit $100 from my Bank of America into my wallet. Doing this will initiate an external deposit and post it to my default wallet. Nice. Looks like that's gone through. I'll tab over the dashboard and you'll see that that payment is initiated. Wallets are the basic building block of everything that happens on Natural. They support all the other products, and everything you want to do starts with the wallet.